Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I do this spring makeup look. It's literally so simple and I try out some new products. Some were a flop, some were good. So you're just gonna have to see to, keep watching, see the products, and I'll talk to you. What am I saying right now? I forgot how to YouTube here. Just keep watching, literally just keep watching. All right, so I already did my soap brows and we're just gonna excuse the little problem areas on my skin right now. I did not take care of my skin yet. I don't know if it's just from yesterday. I was like a complete bumming it around yesterday. Today is Wednesday. I got my vaccine Monday, my first dose. So my arm was just sore and I was like, I'm just gonna give myself the entire day to do absolutely nothing. I literally did nothing all day. So, and I loved every second of it, and yeah, so I didn't even wash my face, so I don't know if that's just what this is, I don't know, but we're just gonna ignore it. But I have a new foundation here. It's new to me, again, it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, but it's the dewy one. I love the normal one. I don't know if it's matte or just a natural finish, but I love that one. This one is the dewy one, though, and it's in the shade Soft Beige. I don't know if this is gonna match me at all, but we'll just make it work. So I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit, and if it's the same packaging, yeah, it has a little spatula thing. So I'm gonna apply it to the back of my hand. I used to go in straight onto my face, but I feel like that's just not that clean. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. sponge and just start to tap this on the skin. Also, ignore my hair. It's in this little towel wrap. I'm going to blow dry it after I do my makeup, and then I'll come back for the outro. I mean, I like the way this looks so far. It looks, honestly, pretty similar to my Maybelline foundation, like the Dewy and Smooth one that I've been using. I really like it. The shade is a little bit off, but it's fine. I love the first foundation Wet n Wild, not the first one, but like the other version of this. I love it so much. I have so many shades of it. I think the only reason I stopped using it was because like the shade didn't match me anymore, but otherwise I do like it a lot. I had like never tried the concealer from this line, like the Photo Focus line. I don't think I've tried it. I love the loose powder. I'll probably use the loose powder today just to use with the foundation to give it like a better wear and stuff. So far I like it though. It does have a nice dewy finish to it. I'm gonna go light on the setting spray today at the end because I don't want to make it too dewy and then like not be able to see how it wears. I'm gonna have to let you guys know in my next video how I like the foundation, like how it wears and stuff. I'm just gonna take some down my neck too, so like to blend out the color. And there's still just a little bit left on my hand, so I'm just gonna go back over my problem areas a little bit and like on my cheek for a little bit more coverage to try to build it up. I do think it's buildable. I think it's, yeah, buildable coverage for normal to dry skin. I definitely have normal to dry skin. I would say right now my skin is actually a little bit dry because again, I wasn't really taking care of it. So it's a little bit dry around my nose, but since my skin has cleared up for the most part, my skin actually has been like pretty dewy and I've really been liking my skin lately. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that like my skin has changed a little bit and it's overall just a lot smoother and stuff. All right, so the foundation is on. I think it looks good. I'm obviously gonna have to see more how it wears. So now I'm going to do concealer. This is my Makeup Revolution Eye Bright Illuminating Under Eye Concealer in the shade Light. I've been using this. I absolutely love it. I actually got the this in the shade Caramel to try to cream contour with it. I think it was Michaela that I saw. She was using it as a cream contour, I think. I don't know. I don't fully remember who it was. But I really love this concealer so much and the finish of it, so I was really intrigued to try it as a cream contour. And if it does work out, I'm hoping it'll give me like the Charlotte Tilbury cream contour vibe. So I'm just gonna blend this out with my sponge again. All right, concealer is done. Now we can try out this in the cream contour. It's literally the same exact product, just in the shade Caramel. I just have to peel the little plastic off. So it looks like this, and I'm just going to twist it up to bring the product up. I think I remember last time it taking forever. This is only $10 at Ulta, so I would definitely try it out. Definitely the concealer. I really love it. All right, it's starting to come through. So I'm gonna start to just dot it a little bit. Maybe, I don't know if that's too much. Actually, I know the consistency of the concealer. This should be fine. So I'm just going to, I added it to my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline. This low-key might be too much, but whatever. And I'm just gonna use the back of my sponge to blend it out. Yeah, I like this. I knew I would, because I love the concealer so much. And it just blends to such a natural, like, finish. I just love it so much. And this color is great. I love this color, I think. Like, I'm gonna have to see how it looks with powder and, like, more bronzer and stuff. But it reminds me of my LA Girl Warm Sand concealer shade. All right, I think that looks pretty good. I'm liking the finish of everything. I'm gonna just do a little bit more concealer on this blemish right here. It's actually 2 pimples I have there. Just lightly tapping it out because we want to keep the coverage. All right, so now let's try a liquid blush. I love cream blushes, and my friend Lorona told me to try this out. I didn't even know Milani had cream blushes, but they do. So this is the Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush, and I got the shade Nude Flush. They actually have a few shades. Got this at Ulta, so I'm excited to try it. It looks like this. It's so cute. Again, it's just like a nude. So it's a little squeezy tube. I'm just going to apply some to the back of my hand. I don't know if that is too much. I'm going to take, again, the back of my sponge. I don't know if this is too much. Oh no, that looks pretty. I want to try other shades so I can see it a lot more, because this kind of does blend in, but it's definitely really pretty. I'm bringing it over my nose as well. Just tapping my under eyes and my eyelids, and we can do a little bit of powder. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder just because we use the Photo Focus foundation. I'm just going to go along the sides of my nose. We're going to go in with powder bronzer. We'll just shape the nose a little bit. And I'm bringing it under my eye and, like, kind of setting my cheek a little bit. We're going to go in with cream highlighter and stuff later, so we will bring some of that dewiness back. I'm going to go under here a little bit to clean it up. Kind of just pressing it in. I'm not going to, like, bake it under there. Definitely setting my chin a little bit because of those pimples I have there, and my upper lip. The center of my forehead. And then just setting my eyes. And then I'm just going to tap in the rest of this powder under here. Alright, so we have the face set. I think the foundation looks really good. It's obviously going to get more dewy as it sits because I literally just set my face with powder. So it's going to look a little bit more matte right now. But I'm definitely excited to see how that goes. So let's do some powder bronzer. I'm using the Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Bronzer in the shade Sun-Kissed Beam. And my BH Cosmetics 124 brush. And just lightly bronzing. It literally always looks like I like went away because I use just so much bronzer and stuff, but whatever, I don't care. You'd be like, oh, did you go away? I'm like, no, it's just makeup. I'm gonna do my nose a little bit with my Morphe E62 brush, just right on the sides a little. kind of under my nose. Just a little bit of contour action. And now we can do blush. I'm going to use my Buxom Wanderlust Primer Infused Blush in the shade Dolly and this angled crown brush, and just add a little bit of this to kind of bring in some pink on the cheeks, because that blush, that cream blush, was a little bit more nude obviously, but I want to make it a little bit more pink and like sunburnt looking. Time for the eyes. So the eye product we're going to use today is the L'Oreal Brilliant Eyes Liquid Shadow in the shade Crystal Shine. It's really pretty. I have like the Amethyst Quartz, I think is the name of the other shade that I have. It's like a purple like amethyst shade, but obviously this one is more wearable. I just want to swatch it really quick. We're going to do some like eyeshadow just to like give it something to go along with kind of, but I want to swatch it first. It looks like this, like a champagne-y gold. It's so pretty. I think I want to do like a cut crease little thing with it, so I'm just going to run some shadows in my crease in the Morphe Madison Beer Channel Surfing Artistry palette, and I'm gonna mix, I think, these two shades. I think it's Zero and Jericho. Yeah. And I'm taking this Scone blending brush, and I'm just taking some of these shadows and blending them through my crease. Then we're gonna deepen it a little bit too. And I'm kind of bringing it like in towards my nose, like to drag it down a little bit. I don't know. I like the way that looks. And I'm actually not gonna deepen it up anymore. I feel like that has enough depth to it. Literally just like very messily running it through. And then let's take this thing, and I think I'm just gonna go straight in with the applicator, and I'm just gonna like, I don't know, put it on my lid. I don't know. That is so pretty. I'm gonna do like halfway, I think. I'm gonna, while it's still a little bit wet, I'm gonna take my blending brush and just kind of blend the edge here so it's not very harsh, and even in here. Kind of like a little bit of a softer cut crease than normal. Other shade, the purple shade I have, does this too a little bit. Kind of like comes off. You kind of want to like tap it, I think, is a better way to go about it. This doesn't look good. Let me take a little bit more of those shadows. I don't like this. Oh, I was excited for this too. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm taking it off. Sorry, L'Oreal. Well, that was extremely disappointing because I was looking forward to that product, but whatever. I'm just gonna fix my eye here, I guess. We'll do a different shadow look, I guess. Still super simple because I wanted to keep it super simple today. I'm gonna go back in with those shades I was mixing before. Wow, I'm really disappointed. Let's deepen up the outer corner, I guess, a little bit. I'm taking my Morphe M506 with this shade here, Devil in a Dress. I don't know. Let's use this shade to deepen it up. Oh, that might have been too much. Oh, I wasn't expecting that much pigment. I'm going back in with the other brush with no extra shadow and just blending that out a little. I want to like lighten it up a little. I'm taking the shade White Rabbit, which is just like the bone colored shade, and just going up like in my upper crease, like up by my brow a little. Wow, this looks like crap. You would never know that I'm decent at makeup by how my eyes look right now. Wow, that is so incredibly sad. Okay, let's do some shimmer, I guess. I don't know. Let's do this shadow called Baby. right here on my finger. I'm too lazy to use a brush. Oh, that looks pretty. Maybe that'll save it. Okay, that looks pretty. Not mad about her. Just gonna blend the edges with that first blending brush again. No extra pigment. All right, that looks better. Let's take my ColourPop E10 brush and the shade Stained Glass right here and put this in my inner corner. I love this shade. Yep. I'm kind of like messily throwing it in there. Cute. I feel cute. My eyes kind of look a little gross, but I honestly haven't like done my makeup that much lately, so gotta keep practicing. L'Oreal True Match. Cute. She's cute or whatever. Product is gonna bring some of the dewiness back as well. Also for my nose. Oh my god, my cat is just so cute over there sleeping. Makeup Revolution Highlighter Reloaded in the shade Raise the Bar. Morphe M431 brush. Just to highlight my nose. Yep. Love nose highlight. Alright, now we're going to curl our lashes and apply mascara. Alright, there we have it. 2 coats of Maybelline Sky High. What am I saying? I got hella mascara on my lid, but I don't even care. Loving the foundation. I really like it. So thumbs up for her. My cat is like snoring right now, so that's kind of fun. Let's do some lip liner, and then I have a lip oil thing. I'm gonna use the Patrick Top Precision Lip Crayon in the shade She's Bold. My favorite lip liner as of lately. I'm just gonna overline a little bit. Or a lot. Honestly, don't know what I did before lip liner. Like, why did I not used to line my lips? Like, I used to think lip liner was so, like, you're such a mom or, like, such a grandma if you used lip liner. Like, what? But sis was missing out. I don't even know why I thought that. I'm just a weird person. Anyway, lips are lined. Now I have this. This is the Covergirl Clean Fresh Tinted Lip Oil. This is in the shade Quench. I have the shade Juiced. It's just like a clear one. Oh, also I didn't apply mascara to my bottom lashes. But I wanted to try another color. And I have another one as well, I think. But this one has like a pink tint to it. So that should be fun. I'm just like blending it into the lip liner as well. I think it looks kind of cute with the pink. Kind of fun for spring. Oh, she's so fun. I love this color. Now, if I remember though about the clear one is that it doesn't really last super long. But it's literally just a lip oil, so don't really expect it to last that long. But okay, we like her. I think this looks so cute. I feel like a little bit pretty, just a little bit. So let's scratch off these little mascara guys, and then we'll spray our face with setting spray. This is the Patrick Ta one, of course. Just a little bit because we want to see how the foundation works out. So yeah, that is the makeup. I'm going to go blow dry my hair and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup look. I know it was kind of all over the place. I was really upset about that L'Oreal product, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm picking up a pair of shoes and I have to return something at Forever 21. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.